It's Amanda here with Healthy Hydration Home Services and the best hydrogen water. In today's video, we're going to be talking about skin issues and how your body can help balance itself using these different waters as tools. So, for instance, we're going to talk first about acne. So what's acne? Acne is an overgrowth typically of yeast, of candida. Well, how does this yeast get in our body? It gets there through sugar, because your body's going to consume, you're going to consume sugar, and those little yeast absolutely love the sugar and they feed off of it, and then that waste is protruding out of the skin. So there's a couple different ways to get acne, but that's one of them. Another way is hormones. How does the water help with both of these? Well, your hormones go through blood. If you're not drinking adequate amounts of water, the right kind of water, that blood gets coagulated, it's called rouleau, and you can't produce and use the hormones correctly. So by drinking the water, it's going to help purify the blood and get some toxicity out. That will help with appearance going through the skin. The next thing is those little yeast and bacteria. They do not like the environment of hydrogen. In fact, they're like, oh, get me out of here. This is not where I live. I live where there's a lot of sugar. And so as you consume the hydrogen water, those little yeast, they're going to jump out of the body. And so just drinking the water alone is going to help your body with the acne. It's also going to help rejuvenate the skin, because your skin is 16% of your body weight. And as soon as it gets dehydrated, guess what happens? It looks a little older. So as you hydrate the skin, you flush the waste and toxins out, your skin's gonna look more vibrant, okay? So that's the first thing you're gonna do. The second thing you're gonna do is you're gonna use it topically. So this is our hydrogen spray here, the disinfecting spray. This is positively charged hydrogen, it's gonna kill things. Whereas this is the negatively charged hydrogen, it's gonna be used as an anti-inflammatory for acne. So what you wanna do is, if you have acne that's inflamed, or any kind of rosacea or anything that's inflamed like shingles, spray it with this water first. Spray, spray, spray. You can't get too much, and it doesn't matter how many times a day that you do it, it's not gonna harm you at any amount. So you're gonna spray it first, and then you're gonna let it dry. So what that is, just calm down any redness. So the antioxidants help with anti-inflammatory. So now you're calming down the redness. When it's dry, you wanna put your skin back, closing those pores with the hydrogen here, that's the disinfecting spray. It's gonna close up those skin pores, so no other bacteria can get back into your skin. It's gonna kill any bacteria that's on the surfaces. So if you can do that every day, a couple times a day, you're washing your face in the morning, do it in the morning, maybe take it to your work, do it at work, and then in the evening, that would be suggested 3 times a day, and you're gonna notice a huge difference in your skin. So again, you can drink it internally. You want a ½ ounce per pound of body weight a day in between your meals, and you can also use it topically on your skin to overcome things like acne. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you want to know more, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that bell, as well as we do a lot of free giveaways here. So every Friday we do a free giveaway, and we announce our winners on Monday. So you got to comment below in order to make that happen. And until we see you, be happy, be healthy, and be free.